3 tips to ace your board exams given by most of the toppers of 10th and 12th. Tip number 1 is keep your last minute revision booklet ready. A day before the exam, instead of cramming the entire syllabus in one day, have a revision booklet that has all your frequently asked questions, important points, mind maps of every chapters, important formulae, etc. Tip number 2 is paper writing practice. Make sure you write a minimum of 3 to 4 mock tests every subject before you go for your exams. Because in the entire year you've put in a lot of information in your brain and now it's time to get habituated to recalling of that information. Also, it will help you to understand what kind of questions you'll be facing in the exam. Tip number 3 is pay attention to your paper presentation and handwriting. Make sure your paper is neat with good handwriting, spacing, underlining, etc. Because always remember, a good answer paper but very well presented will always fetch more marks than a better answer paper but not very well presented. Hope this helps. Wish you all the very best.